if you want to make an additional 6 figures every month selling on Amazon FBA on top of what you are already making right now, then this video is for you because I am going to show you how simple it is to find your next product idea. It is right in front of your face, but a lot of sellers tend to miss this. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara T. I have been selling products on Amazon FBA for 5 years. And I also coach people just like you how to become successful in their Amazon FBA businesses. The purpose of today's video is that I personally think a lot of Amazon sellers are missing out on this huge opportunity to add an additional 6 figures to their Amazon FBA business. Everything that I am about to show you today will work even if you are a brand new Amazon seller or if you are an existing Amazon seller. If you find this video to be useful, then please subscribe to my channel and help me give this video a huge thumbs up. Your support is greatly appreciated. And without wasting any time, let's dive right in. In this product research tutorial, I will show you guys 2 simple ways how you can find your next winning product idea that can potentially make you over $100,000 in sales every single month. So let's go to Amazon.com and type in any product that comes to mind. For me, I am going to type in baby swimming pool because this was the most recent product I bought on Amazon. My twins wanted to go swimming, so I thought, okay, let's go to Amazon.com and buy them a baby swimming pool. So I believe when I was scrolling on page 1, I found this pool right here and I was interested in buying this product. What you want to do is go to page 1 and find one of the top sellers that is selling that product. So for this one, I know that Joyin is a big brand. I've seen their other products. They have a lot of reviews. Their price point is good. And it seems like a lot of customers will enjoy this product. So let's check out this product. And no, we are not selling this product, but I want to use this example to show you an easy way how you can get your next product idea. Almost every single Amazon FBA seller tends to overlook this. And this is what you do. So first, you want to go to your Helium 10 Chrome extension, go to X-Ray Amazon Product Research. I just want to make sure that they are making money. The product needs to be making good money, so I know that this seller knows what they are doing. So their revenue is over $32,000, which is really good. You don't want to look for products that have just a few $1,000s because that will tell you that that seller probably does not know what they are doing. However, Joyin over here makes over $32,000 from just one product, so this tells me there's a good chance he knows what he's doing. And his best sellers rank for this product is 4,701, which is really good. So all I am going to do is go to Joyin's storefront. It says, visit the Joyin store. But instead of clicking on this link right here, what you want to do on your desktop computer is by clicking on this guy right here, sold by Joyin Direct, because this is the only way how you can run the numbers using Helium 10. But we want to visit the Joyin Direct store by clicking up here. So for every product that you see on a seller storefront, you want to click on that link. And here is where you can run Helium 10 to check out the revenue for other products in their store. Now remember, I am only looking at this seller storefront because I know that they were selling the baby swimming pool very well. It's highly likely that they know how to sell other products in their storefront. So without scrolling, let's take out our Helium 10 Chrome extension. If you don't have Helium 10, you need to download Helium 10 in your Chrome store. So go to X-Ray Amazon Product Research and let's take a look at their other products that are also selling very well on Amazon. And this will instantly give you product ideas that you can use for your Amazon FBA business. So it looks like they have Bubble Solution. Oh my gosh, this Bubble Solution is making over $306,000 in revenue every month. In total, Joyin makes over $4 million in revenue every single month. So 100%. this seller knows exactly what they are doing, and they have products that are all winning products. You see how simple that was? I just took one product, I went through this seller's storefront, and now I am able to see all of the money that they are making from other products. By the way, if you guys are new to selling products on Amazon and you need help with finding winning products just like the one that I am showing you on today's video, then make sure you get my free training for Amazon in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, enter your name, enter your email address, and watch the training to the end because you get to apply for a free one-on-one call with my team, and they will walk you through the entire process on how you can find profitable products to sell on Amazon that will give you nice profit margins and that will pay you every single month. Next, let's have a closer look at these winning products that make over 6 figures every month and see if it is a product that we want to source. So I definitely do not want to source a bubble solution because there may be chemicals. That's the first thing that comes to mind when I look at this product. So I'm just going to scratch this product, trash it. The next one here is Hawaiian tropical flowers. Okay, not bad. The price point is $16.99. I know that to source a product like this, it should be very cheap. So the margins that I have on this product should be very high. My profit margins are likely to be very high. And when we look at a product like this, we have to remember that when we are trying to source our own version of this product, the value must be there. And most importantly, it's better than our competitor's product that they are already selling on Amazon. So our customers can buy from us instead of this seller right here. But first, let's look on Alibaba.com so I can get an idea on how much it will cost per unit. So I'm just going to type in Hawaiian tropical flowers, and this will bring up all of the suppliers on Alibaba.com that may sell these Hawaiian tropical flowers. So the first thing I look for is a low price point because who wants to pay a high price for sourcing products, right? Definitely not me. So this seller right here, it looks like they are a verified seller for 5 years, which is really good. You guys always want to choose verified suppliers on Alibaba.com. You see, this one is not verified. I would not go ahead with them, but this one is verified for 5 years and they have 2 diamonds and they have good reviews and they are selling each piece for about 20 cents each. So this is super affordable. I'm sure all of you guys can afford 20 cents per unit. It's absolutely insane. So another product that we can check out here before we go ahead with this one is to look at, this looks like diving pool toys. So I talked about this product in a recent YouTube video, so I will not go over it again, but you just want to look down the list for all the products that are making over 6 figures a month and see which product is easy to source, that is low priced, that has good suppliers, and that you can differentiate and provide better value. Now, this is where it starts to sound too good to be true because we have a product that makes 6 figures every month. It's super cheap to source. Our supplier checks out, and all we have to do is source it and ship it to Amazon's warehouse. But the big question is, how do I know that customers can find my product listing and buy the product from me instead of this big seller right here? So there is a way to check that. First, you want to copy your ASIN up here, copy that guy in the URL, head over to Helium 10 Cerebro. So log into your Helium 10 software account. If you don't have an account, I strongly recommend you to get on the Platinum plan and use this coupon code right here to get 20% off your Helium 10 software because it is the #1 tool to run your Amazon FBA business. Head over to Tools, go to Cerebro, Reverse Product Lookup. That will bring us to this page right here. And then you want to enter the ASIN and get keywords. Basically, this will tell us all of the keywords from this product listing, and it will tell us where all of the traffic is coming from. So what keywords are customers searching to find and buy this product? We want to make sure that we use the same keywords in our product listing so customers can find us and buy from our product listing, as long as our product provides more value, it's better in quality, slightly cheaper in price to start with a few product reviews. So these are the keywords. You want to sort the search volume from big to small because I want to see where all of the demand is. And on the left-hand side, it says that people are finding this product through the keyword necklace. However, when I scroll to the right-hand side, it tells me that the organic rank is not even ranking for the word necklace, probably because this keyword is very highly searched. So instead, what we want to do is head over to organic rank, sort this from small to big, because now it will tell us what position these keywords are ranked on. So right here it says number one, number one, number one. And when we scroll down, it says number two, number two, number two. This means for these keywords, the product is ranked in this position. So any position from number 1 to 15 is obviously page 1. And long story short, what we want to do is follow wherever our competitor goes. So after we launch our product, and let's pretend that a customer types in Hawaiian party supplies, we want our product to line up very closely to our competitor's product on page 1. See, they are right here. So we want to be somewhere here as well. Obviously, we will have a better offer, better quality, better value, all that good stuff. So our customers can go to our product and buy it instead of Joy Yen. Now, before you get super excited and start sourcing your 6-figure winning product, we must check out the profitability. So you need to click on the product listing and then go to Helium 10. And then go to profitability calculator. Now, I talked about how to use this calculator in this recent YouTube video right here. So if you want to learn, make sure you watch that YouTube video. But I will not repeat how to analyze this in this video. So this is the first way how anyone can find a 6-figure winning product. The second way for you to come up with a winning product idea is something that is right in front of your face again, but Amazon sellers tend to forget about this again. So I'm just back at Joyen's storefront, right? We are back at Joyen's winning product list, and I'm going to click on any product. Let's click on the big bubble wands for kids. So you will do this as well for your product. Go to the storefront and check out other products. The second way is right here. So we are looking at frequently bought together. So this means that if a customer bought these bubble wands, they also bought chalk, and they also bought Bubbles by Fubbles. This is Bubble Solution. So like I said, we are not selling Bubble Solution, because the first thing that comes to mind is there may be chemicals, and it's a liquid. Nobody wants to sell a liquid. So that leaves us with checking out Jumbo Chalk. So let's just go to Amazon.com, go to the search bar, type in Jumbo Chalk. And the first thing we do is something I already showed you in the beginning of this video. We are going to find the top seller that has a good price, a lot of reviews, and take that seller. Let's click on in here and go to their storefront to find other winning product ideas that make over 6 figures every single month. So here it is again, tons of product ideas from a top seller by using frequently bought together. Now, I know this video has a lot of steps, so let's repeat all of them so you guys can follow along to find your 6-figure winning product idea. First, go to the Amazon search bar and type in any product that comes to mind. Go to the first page and find a top seller. Click on that product listing and go to that seller's storefront. So this one is Fila. I'm going to click here on the right hand side and then click into her storefront. Use your Helium 10 Chrome extension to look at other products that make 6 figures per month and check out which one you want to source. After you choose that product, go to Alibaba.com and check out how much it costs to source from a good supplier. And before you get too excited, you want to use your profitability calculator in Helium 10 to give you an idea for how much profit you can make by selling the product. And then you might ask, okay, that's great, Tamara. I found my winning product. How do I know that customers can find my product and they will choose my product over my competitors. You head over to Cerebro, type in your competitor's ASIN, click on Get Keywords, and when you create your product listing, you are making sure that you have the keyword phrases that are relevant to your product, and you are putting it in your product listing using the keywords that are organically ranked on page 1, positions number 1 to 15. If you guys have any questions for me about this video, please leave it in the comment section below. Do me a huge favor and give this video a huge thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next YouTube video.